Hi, I'm Jeff Collins. I've been leading worship in a church for many years, mostly singing and playing acoustic guitar. And there are times when I don't have a lead guitar player, but there are those leads that kind of define a song and help the congregation to recognize it as you're going into it. And there are ways that on the acoustic guitar we can kind of bring out something like those leads, maybe not exactly the same, but there's some things that I do I want to share with you, and it also helped me to remember them. Today I want to share with you the lead in to the song Lead Me to the Cross. It was like this. So when we don't have a lead player, we can fill in some leads ourselves. A C major 7th chord would be this, okay? But I'm not playing it with the same fingers. I'm just playing it with my 2nd and 3rd finger, like that, and playing the A, which is this, on the 4th string. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm picking toward the middle of the guitar, not the whole 6 strings, because that helps us to hear it a little better if we can kind of focus in. And then I bring it down to, which is really your B sus, but I'm not playing the whole chord there either. I'm just playing these 2 middle strings and adding in a C sharp down here on the 2nd string, and then going back up to that, or C minor 7th, but adding in the G sharp on the 1st string. So it's... And then for the first 2 chords, you do the same thing. And you go to an A 9th, but you add in the F sharp on the E string, 1st string. And then you just go to the beginning where the song starts at C sharp minor 7th. Okay, when we put it all together, it'll sound something like this. My sin and death, now you're risen. Everything I once held dear, I count it all as lost. Lead me to the cross where of myself, I belong to you. Oh, lead me to your heart. 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 Lead me to the cross where your love poured out. Bring me to my knees.